Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add social link on your Switch app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on account here. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click on edit profile. When you click here on edit profile, it's going to take you to expire. Then you just go down and you click here on manage social links. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you add social links when you just click on here. So then here add your social here in this list and here link here. Then when you're done, just go above save, click on it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.